Everyone, myself Dr. Gayatri Patil and welcome to my channel Health Innova, where health comes first. So today's topic is about to detox your body and what are the benefits of detoxing your body and what are the natural ways you can try to detox your body. So starting with to detox or detoxification simply means that eliminating of all the toxic substances from your body. In this modern lifestyle, we are under continuous assault of toxins which we ingest from certain foods or drinks from environment and also from our body, the toxins which are produced in our body as a byproduct of certain bodily processes. So our body has its natural tendency to detoxify. So the liver is the main boss or the leader of this detoxification system. So you can simply call the liver as a cleansing house of our body. Whenever these toxins remain inside our blood for a longer time, it will going to convert into the fat, and this fat will going to deposit it inside the liver, and it will give the condition called as a fatty liver, and it will going to hamper the normal processes of liver functioning of the liver and again the normal process of detoxification. So this is the that is a time where you need to give some space to your liver so that it get recharge and repair itself, so that it will again bump up with its normal functioning and of course the detoxification process. So what are the signs and symptoms you can see whenever your body needs to detox? um, the first one is about skin problems like acne and rashes, then some intolerance to certain perfume scents or some foods. Then there is a recurrent cold and cough. There is unexplained headache. There is continuous low backache without any underlying cause. There is some digestive disorders or some absorption disorders or constipation, diarrhea. Then there is low immunity. You wanted to be rested even after you sleep. You feel fuzzy, you will feel distressed, stressful. uh, so these are all the signs you can see where your body really need to detox. So what are the benefits of detoxification? In that, as detoxification will help to rejuvenate your cells, and it will again repair your cells so that your body will function properly. Then it will decreases the aches or pains or some headaches or any unexplained low backache. Then it will again expel all that environmental toxins from your body. Then it will keep your mental health in a good state. Then it will balances the pH level of your body. It will give you a great amount of antioxidants, and antioxidants as is a great or a good for your health. Then it will improve your circulation. It will give some space to your liver so that it will recharge and repair. Then it will again aid in a weight loss management. Then again it will solve the problems of some digestive disorders. So these are, and of course it will boost your immunity. So these are all about the benefits. So what are the natural ways you can try? So in that, first of all, try to eat a lot of cruciferous vegetables or simply the vegetables that come from a cauliflower family. In that, for example, cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, radish. So these all are having a lot rich sources of vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, folate. So this will convert the toxins into non-toxic substances and for the elimination from your body. Then it will again uh, then next is that leafy vegetable, eat lots of leafy vegetable. Add this leafy vegetable will alkalizes your body's pH and again it will be balances your pH level of your body. Then the next is as flax seeds, or you can say it in a Marathi as a javas, or in a Hindi it is called patsan ki beej. So as this flax seeds will increase your metabolism, it has that capacity to attract all that oil soluble fats, toxins from your liver, so and eliminated in outside your body. So um, having a soup after a meal, it is good, is a good way to have 2 to 3 tablespoons full of flax seeds after your meal. Then the next is that focus on your sleep. Sleep will recharge your brain so that your brain will recognizes all the toxins in your body, and it will again help in elimination from your body. Then the next is drink lots and lots of water, as this water will again helps in elimination of the waste, for example carbon dioxide, then the urea, in by the processes of breathing, sweating and urination. So 3 3 liters for female and 3.5 liters for male is necessary quantity of water they should drink throughout the day. Then the next is get active or exercise regularly, as it will reduces the inflammations of cells, and definitely it will going to give a normal functioning of your uh, vital organs. Then at least 150 to 300 minutes of moderate exercise per week is necessary. Then the next is eat lots of antioxidant rich foods, as it will antioxidant will fight against oxidative stress and free radicals, which are which are known to cause the damage to your brain cells. Then the next is try to eat the prebiotics. So prebiotics simply means that it is a type of fibers which feeds the good bacteria in your gut or the intestine. And we all know that if your intestine or gut health is stronger, you stand strong. So try to include the uh, prebiotic rich foods in your diet, for example buttermilk, or the you can have yogurt or curd. Then the next is reduce the intake of salt, as this salt will if you increase the intake of salt, your body will retain the water inside, so that you will reduce urination, and there is a reduce the elimination of urea from your body. Then the next is try to avoid the processed foods and the sugary foods, as it will going to uh, land up land up in some severe life threatening diseases like diabetes mellitus, some kidney disorders or some heart related disorders. And again this will going to land up into the normal functionings. So this all will again hinder in the normal functionings of the detoxification. So these are all about the natural ways you can try to detox your body. So this is all up from me, and if you really feel that this video is really helpful, then hit on a like button. If you have any question, then please comment down below. Do subscribe our channel, and hit on a bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much.